Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
In a glistening pond where the lilies sway, 5 ducks splashed about in a cheerful ballet. With feathers of gold and eyes bright with glee, they quacked out their joy as free as could be. One sunny morn from the chill of the sea, a curious figure emerged wild and free. A penguin named Pip with a waddle so grand joined in their frolic on soft river sand. The ducks tilted heads, a sight quite bizarre. A bird from the ice, he's traveled afar. But Pip simply smiled with a heart full of cheer. I've come for adventure, I'm happy right here. Together they danced through the dew-kissed grass, while laughter echoed, oh how time did pass. Pip flapped his wings to keep up with their pace. His dreams took to flight in this wondrous place. As twilight approached and the sky turned to gold, the ducks gathered round him to share tales untold of valleys and hills where warm breezes play. Pip listened intently as dusk stole the day, yet deep in his heart was a longing for home. He missed icy waters beneath winter's dome, but 5 friendly quacks brought warmth to his chest. Stay with us longer, you're truly our guest. So they built him a nest made of reeds by the shore, where laughter would linger forevermore. And though he was different in body and wing, in friendship's embrace found his spirit take wing. With 5 feathery friends who'd once felt aloof, Pip learned that true joy lies beyond any roof. Together they soared over water and land, 5 ducks with a penguin, a bond ever grand.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.